Sulphur dioxide properties. Moist SO2 will act as a bleaching agent. Its bleaching action is due to reduction of the vegetable coloring matter by nascent hydrogen liberated in presence of moisture. During bleaching, SO2 gets converted to H2SO4. And one more point here, in presence of moisture, SO2 acts as a good reducing agent. Its reducing character is due to the evaluation of nascent hydrogen. And one more important point here, bleaching by SO2 is however temporary. When the bleached article exposed to air, it regains its color due to oxidation. Okay, and then SO2 also behaves as an oxidizing agent. It acts as a mild oxidizing agent, particularly when it reacts with strong reducing agents. I will give some oxidizing properties of the SO2. For example, SO2 oxidizes H2S2 sulfur. SO2 oxidizes H2S2 sulfur. If you balance the equation, 2H2S, 2H2O and 3S. And one more oxidizing property, SO2 oxidizes active metals like magnesium, potassium, iron. So magnesium is oxidized to MgO plus MgS. Potassium is oxidized to K2SO3 plus K2S2O3, and iron is oxidized to FeO plus FeS. And one more property, oxidizing property of sulfur dioxide, at 1000 degrees Celsius, sulfur dioxide oxidizes hydrogen into water. Sulfur dioxide oxidizes hydrogen into water at 1000 degrees Celsius. And one more property, oxidizing property of sulfur dioxide, in presence of excess of HCl, stannous and mercurous salts are oxidized. Stannous salt SnCl2 is oxidized by SO2 in presence of excess of HCl to SnCl4 plus H2O plus S. Similarly, mercurous salt also, Hg2Cl2 is oxidized by SO2 in presence of excess of HCl. Hg2Cl2 is oxidized to HgCl2. HgCl2 plus 2H2O plus S. These are the some important oxidizing properties of sulfur dioxide.